All right, group.
All right.
So
we're doing our project on eating disorders.
yeah, and we've broken it down into what subjects?
Anorexia, bulimia, and binging.
And then we're also doing statistics in college, or just in general?
In college.
Yeah, I think
Okay, in college. So then after we each do our pages in our groups of 2, then we'll add to the wiki, add 2 questions for the quiz each. What else are we doing?
so.
Okay, aren't we dividing each page up? Do you think that would be best?
Yeah.
So we're doing causes, prevention, treatment, and
Signs and symptoms.
right.
And with each page, on our, when you click the link to yours, you know how we'll do the 3 links of causes, treatment, signs, and symptoms? Maybe we can do anorexia, what it is, and then press those buttons.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Write a definition.
That's
of
a
what
good
that-
one on the anorexia homepage.
So when
Yeah.
you click
Okay.
the
So
anorexia,
anorexia is blah blah blah, and then the 4 links, signs and symptoms, treatment,
That's a
prevention.
good idea.
It's gonna be links at the
Yeah, you can do pictures.
it's gonna be links at the bottom of each homepage.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
you're gonna go to the information. Okay.
But make sure when you do it, you have a link that says back to home so they can navigate.
You might have
to
to
the
help
page.
me. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah, I
I
will.
don't know how to do it.
Okay, I'll do that.
And then you're doing what?
Anorexia, treatment, and prevention.
Okay. And you wrote down the learning outcomes. What did we say the learning outcomes should be?
I forgot what we said, but I wrote some down.
We have to have the students recognize the differences in eating disorders. And what else did we say? No, the prevalence of them.
Should we
And the
put,
treatment.
our learning outcomes on our wiki?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we have to
like-
put it on.
So should
So,
we make a link for that too?
Yeah, just learning objectives and list what they should learn by the end of the PowerPoint, and then it'll basically be based off the quiz. The quiz will be based off the learning.
Should we, you know how we already made the homepage? Should we put the learning outcomes next to the quiz, on the left side of the quiz?
Yeah, on the.
Learning outcomes, what you should know before you take the quiz.
Okay.
Or it could be what you should get by the end of this wiki or something
Yeah.
like that, and then
We could do something funny and write hopefully you learned something.
yeah.
And then you
Yeah.
can click the
Now-
link and be you should
I
now.
think we can all when we meet to write what we're gonna say. Should we do that then? How we're gonna present it?
Yeah.
Should we do learning?
So once
outcomes
once
it's finished.
the wikis due a week before we have to do a presentation. So once the wikis all put together and it's closed, we can't work on it anymore. We should all meet and be okay, what do we want to ask the class?
So probably
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good?
So when are we gonna do the learning outcomes page? We all do just put something on it separate.
Well, we wrote that together, didn't we? Be able to identify signs, symptoms, and possible causes.
I just looked at her objectives and looked at basic stuff that we subdivided everything.
Well, I mean, we're all wiki's accessible to all of us. So
Yeah.
say you write something down, I can write something down. If you think it's bad, just be hey, is it cool if I change it to this?
Okay.
or
So are you
anytime.
should we put a separate button for learning outcomes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll
And
do
then are you
it before
gonna
the
put all
quiz.
of this under it?
Yeah. Okay. From our presentation, we hope that you have learned 1.
We hope that you.
Well, I thought we were gonna do it at the end next to the quiz button.
Yeah.
But we could do it at the beginning.
So we also can print this out.
Usually,
Just one sheet.
they usually are at the beginning.
This one. Oh, they're at the beginning.
They usually are for
Yeah, they're
PowerPoint,
usually
each
what
thing
you
you
should
do.
know.
Yeah.
So we should do that. It says eating disorders at the top of ours. We'll make the link. What you should what you should gain or something like that.
Yeah.
And then under that, the 4 links we have for our eating disorder, subtopics. Okay. I think that's pretty well broken out.
So we're
And
gonna
then-
add the link now, for learning outcomes and the quiz. Is quiz
Yeah.
link
Yeah.
already?
Yeah.
and we printed out the journal article database search.
We have to make the quiz downloadable.
Oh, right.